In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a message on WhatsApp Web in 2025. Whether you're dealing with work-related messages, funny memes, or planning a reunion, knowing how to copy and share specific text can be incredibly useful. So let's walk through the step-by-step process together to make sure you can do it effortlessly. First off, open up your browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. If you haven't already linked your phone to WhatsApp Web, you'll need to do so by scanning the QR code with your smartphone. This step synchronizes your phone chats with your browser, allowing you to access your conversations right on your computer screen. Once you're set up, find the specific chat where the message you want to copy resides. Hover your mouse over the message bubble that you need. As you linger over the text bubble, you'll notice some icons appearing. These icons enable various actions, making it easy for you to perform the task you want. Now click on the small drop-down arrow which generally appears on the top right corner of the message bubble. This action unveils a menu with several options. Among them is the option to copy. Clicking on copy effortlessly transfers the entire message, including any emojis or special characters, into your computer's clipboard. With the message securely copied, you're free to paste it wherever you need. Simply position your cursor in your desired location, whether it's in an email, a document, or even another chat. Use the standard paste function, which is Ctrl+V on a Windows or Linux system, or Command+V on a Mac to place your copied text. But let's say you only want to copy a portion of a lengthy message. WhatsApp Web allows you to do this too. Inside your chat, specifically click and drag your mouse to highlight just the part of the message you're interested in. Once highlighted, you can either right-click and select copy, or use your keyboard by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Linux, or Command+C if you're using a Mac. And there you have it, quick and simple. This skill will save you a lot of time and help keep your work organized by sharing only the necessary parts of your conversations. Remember, regular practice with these steps not only ensures fluency, but also makes it easier for you to help others in need of tech tips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.